Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert an image to PDF file in Google Drive, guys. It's really easy and simple. You do not need any external app or anything. Literally just your Google Drive, okay? I'm going to show you. It's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, you want to upload your image. Click on New, and then you can click on Upload File. Once you click on New, here, File Upload, and then you can browse through your File Explorer, but that's what a normal person would do. I'm just going to drag and drop. I'm going to drag and drop the file right here. It's going to start uploading. And once it's done uploading here we go, guys. We just want to click on these three dots, okay? More actions. Click on these three dots. And then I want you to click this option. Open with. I want you to choose Google Docs, okay, guys? Not any other app. Choose Google Docs and let this open in Google Docs. We just wait for like a few seconds. It usually opens up pretty fast. And I want to show you like 2 or 3 extra steps and we're almost done, guys. So just hold on. So this is what I want to show you. I want you to remove this, okay? Remove this metadata from here. Remove all this. We don't need that. Now this is the image. You can resize this image if you want to your liking, but I'm okay with this. So to turn this into a PDF, this is what all you do, guys. Click on File, okay? And then I want you to click on a Download, and then click on PDF Document. And literally, guys, it is that simple. It was literally that simple. And in just a moment, the PDF file is going to start downloading, guys. Here we go, guys. The PDF file is downloading. I think it has already downloaded. I'm going to open this up. Guys, okay. I'm going to open this up here in a new tab, and I'm going to show you that it actually turned into a PDF, guys. Guys, hold on. Just one moment. Let this load up, and you're going to see how we did it just in Google Drive. No apps, nothing. Look at this, guys. This is literally a PDF document done just from Google Drive. The video is literally this easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want, you can subscribe.